Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Today is the day that I pick a winner for Decorate Your Life's country red paper pad that she is going to give away. Now, first off, let me thank Sandy and Jenny. Thank you ladies for thinking of me to be a guest designer, and I really enjoyed playing around with this paper pad. So I wanted to thank you and let you know that I really enjoyed this. And then I would like to thank all of you guys for playing along and following, and your comments and your likes and just everything, guys. Without you, this would not be possible. So let me just remind you that my first winner is going to win the country red paper pad. Now you have to send me your name, your address, and your email. You will have until Monday afternoon to get that to me. You will have until Monday 6 p.m. Central Time to send me your information. So my first winner will win the country red paper pad from Sandy Nagel. Thank you very much again, Sandy. My second winner, guys, is you're gonna win everything that I made, all the projects that I made for Sandy with her paper pad. So that includes the mason jar, the basket, and everything inside the basket. So this one has the 2 cards. This one has the bows, and the middle one has that mini album that I shared with you guys, and the envelopes for the cards. This is what my second winner is going to get. Thank you very much, everyone. I appreciate it. And let's get a winner. Okay, everyone, I am going to try to hold this steady. Okay, so here is my video. I am going to copy. This is the Win It Before You Can Buy It project reveal. And then I'm going to the YouTube random comment picker, and I'm going to insert the link right here. And I am going to filter duplicate users. I'm sorry, guys, I wasn't looking. Okay. And then I think, okay. Okay, we want to remove that first winner because we are going to pick a second one. This is new, 3 plus 7. I wonder if I have to, okay. So let's get the comments. Amount of unique comments, 21. Okay, and then where's my button? Oh, here it is. Alright guys, thank you so much again. Good luck, and don't forget to send me your name, your address, and your email. You need to email me. It will be, my email is in the description box. So let's get that winner, guys. Okay, everyone, I had to choose another winner for the paper pad because my first winner was, I can't see her channels that she's subscribed to. So let's pick another winner. Sissy Pants, you were the winner to my giveaway. So I'm going to pick another winner for the paper pack. So let's pick another winner. Let's start. Teresa Day, Caffeine and Crafts. Wow, I love what you have made. These are beautiful. Love the picnic basket. Okay. The winner for the paper pack is Teresa Day, and I know for a fact that she is a subscriber. She has been for a very long time, so I don't have to worry about whether she's subscribed or not. And so is Sissy Pants. She's been subscribed to me for quite some time as well. Alright guys, those are my two winners. Teresa Day, you won the paper pack, and Sissy Pants, you have won my projects that I have made. Alright guys, thanks a lot. This is what my next winner will win. Start the raffle and pick a winner. Okay, so Sissy Pants Crafts. Love all your projects, and this is no exception. Too nice. I really like the paper. I love the mason jar project and the bows. Of course, the basket is my favorite. Sissy, winner number 2. All right, ladies, you have until Monday at 6 Central Standard Time to contact me. Look in the description box for everyone's links. If you didn't win here, you still have another chance to win with Jennie and at her channel. Her link is in the description box, so go check her out, guys. Don't forget to stop by Sandy's shop and see if there's anything that you might like. She's got some adorable paper. I saw that she has some Easter paper that I think she just released it, and it is so adorable. I just love it. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to everyone later, and y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.